Hello guys, let's crochet a dragon stacking toy today. So the main part of this toy is actually stroke, which keep all parts together. Also we might do 4 rings, and afterwards we will add some small details to each one, like legs, arms and wings and so on. And as I already said, the main part is that stroke. Yes, please enjoy. Let's crochet third ring for Dragon Stacking Toy. The third one ring will look the same like our first one, but a little bit smaller. First row will include 30 loops in a chain. It's worth mentioning in the beginning that all single crochet we will doing, it would be back side loop only. In the second row, we join our beginning of the chain with our end where currently our hook, and we continue making 30 single crochet in a row. In the third row, we will start to do our increase pattern, where we'll do 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end we might receive 36 single crochet in our row. In first one row, we will do 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end of the row we will receive 42 single crochet on it. In the next row, we will do 6 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end of our row, we will receive 48 single crochet on it. The sixth one row will include 54 single crochet on it, where we have done 7 single crochet with 1 increase pattern, and this pattern we repeat 6 times. Then we will do 8 single crochet with 1 increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and receive 60 single crochet in the end of our row. In the 8th one row, we will do 9 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and we'll receive 66 in the end. In row 9, we will do 10 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and we'll receive 72 single crochet in the end. After that, we will do 6 rows from 10th row till 15th one row without increasing or decreasing, just 72 single crochet on each of them. After making a couple rows like this, you will start noticing that it starts to look more like a ring. And now we continue doing our decreasing part. Our 16th row will contains 10 single crochet, 1 decrease. We repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end we will receive 66 single crochet in a row. Next one row will include 9 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times, and 60 single crochet in a row in the end. Eighteenth row includes 8 single crochet, 1 decrease. This pattern we repeat 6 times and receive 54 in the end in our row. Then we do pattern of 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeated 6 times and receive 48 single crochet in a row. 12th one, we do 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat this pattern 6 times and receive 42. First one row will contains 5 single crochet, 1 decrease. This pattern we repeat 6 times, and then we will receive 36 single crochet in a row. And then our last decreasing row, which contains 4 single crochet, 1 decrease. We repeat this pattern 6 times and receive 30 single crochet in the end, the same amount as we did our first chain. Then, to make it look more like a ring from inside and outside, we do 30 single crochet in each row for so from 23rd one row till 25th one row it would be 3 rows. After that, our sewing part began. We can remove our stitch marker to last couple single crochet and take our yarn through it, just cut at some point and take yarn through our last loop to make a knot. Please leave long end, it will allow us enough length for sewing our last row with our first row. Another key point, if you crochet with back side loop only or with front side loop only, or if you crochet like a normal single crochet in every row, or just considering which side of the ring you would like to see, and then sewing this side, like one inside will go and another will go outside, just personal preference with whatever side you like the most. Don't forget that during sewing we're also stuffing this ring, so at some point maybe do 10 stitches of sewing, then start stuffing, because otherwise you will end up like in the end point where there are just couple stitches left to connect and there are no space for you to stuff this ring. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it if you think someone else can benefit from it. Also, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up.